Are you tired of generating financial reports that don't match your actual numbers? Learn to run a perfect profit and loss report in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Open the report, set your date range, choose the basis, and run it. Let's start. Start by opening Zoho Books from your dashboard or app launcher. Then click on Profit and Loss from the Reports menu. Now, select a date range for your report. You can choose from preset options or set a custom range. For example, click on This Week to view this week's data. Next, choose a report basis. This determines how transactions are recorded. For instance, click on Accrual to see income and expenses when earned or incurred. Once that's set, click on Run Report to generate the financial statement. Review the updated profit and loss report with your selected criteria. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.